Generative AI is a rapidly growing field with the potential to revolutionize many industries, including semiconductors. In the semiconductor industry, generative AI can improve semiconductor chip performance by generating many design optimization for semiconductor chips quickly. It will be able to do so with the help of a historical design dataset. Such a solution can lead to new semiconductor chip applications, reduce design to launch time, and has the potential to drive faster silicon iteration. Many electronic design automation companies have already developed solutions to utilize AI to handle different silicon development complexities. These solutions can do several tasks, including independently driving simulations, regressions, and test program generation, all while optimizing for power, performance, area, cost, and time. It is given that from simulation to silicon to production, generative AI will move the semiconductor industry faster than ever.